I'm Bea Eugenio, and I'm going to be singing For Good.